Thanks for joining today. We're going to be making this adorable little pumpkin patch card today. So let's get started here. I'm going to start with a couple Lawn Fawn papers, as well as the grassy border and the stitched simple wavy borders die. And I'm going to create the grass out of that plaid paper. And then the wavy borders is going to be more of my hillside in the background. And I knew I also wanted to give a stitched border to my panel here, so I grabbed that as well and ran that through my Gemini. And then because I wanted this hillside to be on the middle of my panel, that's why I'm measuring it like this. I just took a pencil and marked where I needed to cut so that it's in the center. And now what I'm doing is I'm just inking up my grassy stencil here, and I'm just giving a little bit more character and more depth to my grass. So I'm adding a second layer, and then I also inked the top of those blades, and I'm going to ink the hillside as well. I'm going to take my ATG gun here and just glue everything down. And like always, I always end up pulling layers up and putting them back down just to get the look that I like. So you'll see me do that a few times, but I'm just gluing the hillside border on now. And then I'll glue the grass on as well. Now that I'm happy with this background panel, I'm going to pull some of the images. These are already pre-colored, but I have a scarecrow, a cute little wagon with some pumpkins, and then some additional pumpkins, a crow, and then I played with some mice here to figure out what I wanted it to look like. And then I love when you can stash bust as well, so I found these trees that I had cut out from a previous card, and it's actually vellum as the tree leaves itself, and I thought that'd be a nice touch in the background just to kind of give it like an orchard feel, or you know, like when you're out in the fall and you go to these beautiful pumpkin patches. So I'm happy with the card front that I have now, and I'm just going to add the sentiment. So I grabbed some brown craft paper, and I'm just going to stamp the sentiment Happy Harvest on there and just some Memento black ink. I wanted it to be nice and simple, and all of this card is a single dimension, which is nice, especially when you're mailing it. And I played with several backgrounds here to figure out what I wanted to do, but you'll see the transition in a second here. I decided to go with a strip of plaid, and I was going to initially do like some kind of cording or some type of ribbon, but I wanted to keep it flat, and I really liked the look of this. And just to finish this off, I'm going to take some of these leaf stamps and just stamp on the inside of the card just to give it a little bit of visual interest. And my card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions for me or would like to see me do something, please let me know.